So, are you planning a cruise and can't decide which room to pick? You know, that's one of the most important decisions you can make, because picking the right room can either make or break your vacation. And today, I'm diving deep into the world of Celebrity Cruises Veranda rooms. With my experience of sailing on 8 Celebrity Cruises in just the last 2 years, I'll guide you through each class and type of balcony room, helping you make the right choice for your next Celebrity Cruise. And before we delve into the specifics of each room, it's crucial to understand the layout of Celebrity's fleet. Celebrity Cruises has 3 distinct classes of ships: Millennium, Solstice, and Edge. The Millennium and Solstice class includes smaller and mid-sized vessels with traditional design and 2 types of veranda rooms. Celebrity refers to all of their balcony rooms as verandas. So veranda just means a balcony room. On the other hand, the newer, larger Edge Class ships break the mold with a very modern design and offer 3 different types of veranda rooms. On both the Millennium and Solstice class ships, you can choose from 2 different types of veranda rooms. You have your standard veranda, which is a typical balcony stateroom that you may be used to on other cruise ships. That's what you can see right here. It just looks like a regular balcony room. Your other option is a sunset veranda. These sunset veranda rooms are located at the very back of the vessel, providing beautiful views of the sunset, hence the name. Although of course they do come with a bunch of downsides as well. For example, they have their own category called Sunset Veranda. You would need to book that category if you want this room, and normally it's a little bit more money. Usually a few $100s more than a regular standard room. Also, there are not that many of them. Because of the limited number of rooms available on the back of the vessel, they do get sold out quickly, so if you want one of these rooms, you have to act as soon as they're available. These rooms also come with a bunch of noise, right? When the ship is moving, the water makes the noise. Some people consider that to be a positive and they love it. Other people consider that to be a negative, and it really depends on your own preference. There's also a little bit of a reduced privacy because these rooms, the balconies on them, are half covered, so anybody above you can see some of your balcony, so consider that when you're booking. And one last one, there are very long corridors and you have to trek all the way to your room. This makes sense. It's located all the way in the back, so whenever you leave or come back to your room, it's usually a bit of a walk. So keep all of those things in mind if you're going to be booking a sunset veranda. And by the way, if this is your first time here, my name is Tom Sunday. I make weekly cruise videos, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest content. Now, Edge Class ships, including Celebrity XL, Ascent, Beyond, Apex, and Edge, also feature sunset verandas with similar amenities and challenges. These rooms are very limited in number and highly sought after, so they tend to sell out quickly and are priced higher than standard veranda rooms. For a closer look, I'll link my detailed room tour of the sunset veranda on the Celebrity Ascent if you want to know more. The most controversial room type across all of the Edge Class ships is the infinite veranda. Unlike traditional balconies, these rooms feature a sliding window that transforms the room into an open air space at the touch of a button. This design is very polarizing. You're either gonna love the innovation or hate it and miss the classic balcony feel. It's really important to remember that the largest number of veranda rooms on any Edge Class ship does come in this infinite configuration. So unless you get a sunset veranda or a porthole veranda, which we'll discuss in just a second, you'll be placed into this type of a room. I've detailed this further in a video linked above. I highly suggest you watch it to make sure you're okay with this before booking an infinite veranda. Once again, if you're looking for a classic balcony and anything else is a deal breaker for you, your only choices are going to be a sunset veranda, a porthole veranda, or a suite. The suites are amazing, but they do come with a very, very high price tag. However, they offer wonderful large balconies. I made an entire video tour of the Sky Suite on the Apex. Check it out if that's an option for you. However, if you can't afford a suite, don't want a sunset veranda but still require a traditional balcony, the porthole veranda room is your only other option. Located at the extreme ends of the ship, these rooms offer limited balcony space and often come with obstructed views. As you can see, these balconies are quite small, just enough for you to fit 2 chairs and a small table, and of course to have that hole cut out as you can see right here. Keep in mind, just like sunset verandas, these rooms are very limited in availability. However, if you don't like the infinite veranda and don't want to pay for a sunset one, this is kind of set in the middle and does offer a small balcony. You will also find Concierge and Aqua Class options for both standard, infinite, and sunset veranda rooms across the entire Celebrity fleet. Concierge rooms come with a few extra features like daily delivered canapes to your room, welcome embarkation lunch, and a special customer service desk. Aqua Class rooms are a bit of an upgrade compared to the standard rooms. These have much better amenities, they have rainfall showers, access to an exclusive restaurant called Blue, and even the thermal suites in the spa. If you want to know more about Aqua Class on Celebrity Cruises, I have several videos that showcase all of those features. I'll link them for you above. As always, if you have any questions, drop them down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.